We are currently in Tortuguero, which is on the east coast of Costa Rica. We arrived yesterday afternoon after a 4.5-hour journey from San Jose. We took a 3-hour coach ride to the edge of the national park, and then from there we got on a boat for another 1.5 hours, which took us to our hotel. Gracias. Sure.
Did you check the map? You said 129?
Yeah, 129.
Oh, this is
Look at the spiders.
Spiders? Oh no!
Look at that. Enjoy, guys.
You like our room? After lunch we went out into the village, which is where the turtle sanctuary is.
Gracias, amigo, por el día.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Mucho gusto. Así. Le debo $1.
Nice? This morning we went on a 2-hour nature boat ride through the national park.
Sunblock every 30 minutes, put sunblock back on. There's a vulture right there. So this will be secondary forest. You see the sky? Notice that all trees have similar size. If we were going through primary, you feel it in the temperature, and then the light. It's pretty dramatic. So sometimes people think that if you go into deeper...
It's like, what is going on?
Go, go, go!
Another one there, another one up there. In the case of the ants, they have like scissors. So they have to start cutting from the edge of it. We call this curé or the chestnut mandible treatment.
Tasty?
I just got the pastry bit this time though. Pretty salty. Nice.
Why are you on the wine?
So we're about to go back to the turtle sanctuary now, and hopefully we'll get to see some turtles laying their eggs. Unfortunately there won't be any evidence because I'm not allowed to bring my camera with me. And then tomorrow we're leaving Tortuguero for Applepie, which is in the middle of the rainforest, so hopefully we'll get to see even more wildlife.
Nice.